have here?
Cornell.
What are we doing today?
We're skydiving today, boys.
Jumping out of a perfect good airplane.
Exactly.
Why do you want to do this?
Just because it's a bucket list item. Just turned 53 and I'm trying to beat cancer.
Yeah? Heck yeah, dude. Well, congratulations.
Thank you.
Hope you beat it. 53.
53.
Finally checking off the list, dude.
Roger that.
You ready to have some fun?
Yeah, hell yeah.
Cool, we're gonna take you up 10,000 feet, throw you out, get you down on a parachute.
Outstanding.
Let's do it, dude.
All right.
Yeah! Woo! You ready?
Yeah.
Get in, get up, get out of this thing, go have some fun in the sky.
Do it.
High five. Let's rock this.
All right. Yeah.
All right, man, you just jumped out of an airplane. How you feeling?
Outstanding.
Yeah?
This is badass.
Heck yeah. What was your favorite part?
Oh man, going out, initial jump.
The initial jump?
Hell yeah, that was
Sick.
badass. That was sick.
Would you do it again?
Hell yeah.
Fuck yeah, dude,
Hell
that's
yeah.
what we like to hear.
Outstanding.
Thanks for jumping with us.
Hey, thank you.
Woo.
Thank you.